Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Preeti Santosh Kolpe. I am working as a lecturer in Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and the Research for Girls. So today we will discuss on the topic recruitment of a pharmacist. After watching this video, learner will able to know first what is mean by recruitment, second which is the different sources of recruitment, third how will you recruit the pharmacist or which procedure is follow for the recruitment of pharmacist or what is the process of recruitment of pharmacist. First we will see what is mean by exact recruitment. Recruitment is the process of exploring the source of supply of the required persons and stimulating the prospective employees to apply for the job in the organization. The recruitment of pharmacists in government sector is done by state or central government agencies such as Service Selection Board. In private sector like recruitment as a salesman, store pharmacist, company job recruitment done by either by owner of the store, departmental head of company or HR department. An advertisement can be given in the leading daily newspapers, popular magazines and professional journals. The detailed description of the post is given and interested candidates are required to submit biodata or resume. In short, the recruitment is the process of selecting the appropriate persons for the specified job in the organization. There are two sources of searching the suitable candidates for the job. First one, external source, and the second one is the internal source. In that external source, in this case, the candidates are invited in the organizations from the open society. Applications are invited and suitable candidates are selected. The employer may obtain the information from educational institution or employment exchange. The advantages of the external sources are availability of the suitable persons and the wide chance in the selection. It brings the fresh blood and fresh ideas in the organization. Then disadvantages of the external source: demoralizations of the existing employees. The existing employees may not be cooperate with the new employees. Then internal source, in that the employee is selected from the existing employees only. Promotions, demotions or the transfer are the ways of filling the vacancies by using the internal source. Then advantages of the internal source are more suitable in the large scale organization, improves morale of existing employees, it promotes the loyalty, requires less training to the employees, it is the economical. Then disadvantages of the internal source: internal sources are finite and capable persons may not be available, qualified persons may not be available, lack of new ideas and concepts, less tendency of the hardworking. Then we will see the how will you recruit the pharmacist or what is the procedure or the process of recruitment. A well organized selection procedure has to be adopted to select the suitable candidates for various jobs. First, the steps involved in the recruitment are identifying the job for which the person is to be appointed. Advertisements are published in the newspapers about the nature of job and expectations from the candidates. The candidates are asked to submit the biodata. The following procedures generally adopted for selection. First, scrutiny of application. Second, preliminary interview. Third, selection test. Fourth, selection interview. Fifth, physical examination. Sixth, reference check. Seventh, final selection. Eighth, placement. In first, scrutiny of application. In that, the applications received up to the due date are carefully scrutinized. The incomplete applications and those candidates are not fulfill the required eligibility are rejected. In another way, or in short, the incomplete applications are rejected. The candidates satisfying the minimum expectations are also rejected. Then second one is the preliminary interview. The candidates are considered and eligible suitable on the basis of their applications are called for preliminary interview. This is generally brief interview. It involves the questioning on knowledge or family background. Then selection test. The selection test is maybe written or oral test. The technical knowledge and administrative capability can be judged from this test. Nowadays, psychological test is carried out in this test. The applications are invited for testing in this the knowledge and intellect, testing their knowledge and intellect. Test papers consist of objective questions which are based on general knowledge, vocational knowledge, or on the logical basis. The following tests are commonly used in the selection process. Intelligence test. Into that we will consider the estimate IQ and mental alertness. Then aptitude test. It considers the measure or it includes the measure capacity to learn, skill and potential. Then trade test. It measures the level of knowledge and skill. It is also called as the performance test. Then personality test. It finds out the emotional balance or the maturity. Then selection interview. A face-to-face dialogue between the interviewer and candidates. It is the most popular technique of selection. The main purpose of the selection interview is to find out the suitability of candidate, to cross-check the information relieved in the applications and the test, to give the candidates accurate picture of his job and the enterprise. In short, it involves the discussion with candidates about the job, geographical area, technical details about the organizations, salary expectations, etc. Then physical examination. Physical examination include the candidates is conducted to ensure that he is the physically fit for the job. Those are suffering from any disease or disability, he is rejected. In short, after the selection, candidates should submit the fitness certificate. Then reference check. Usually, the candidates are required to write in their applications two important references of persons who know the candidates. In short, in the reference check, the history of the candidate is checked from the local police stations and the inquiries are carried out. Final selections and placement. The candidates who have been found suitable in all respect are appointed by issuing the appointment letter to them. Appointed on probation period, a successful completion of this period, they are made permanent employee. In short, the appointment order are given to the selected candidates. After joining, the candidates should submit the joining letter to the higher authority. From above discussion, we get the idea about the recruitment is different sources, that is the external source and the internal source, its advantages and the disadvantages, and process or the procedures of recruitment of pharmacist. Okay, thank you very much.